Hi my dear children, welcome back to English class. I am Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Now we are discussing the lesson Dr. Dolittle. Today we will discuss the grammar conjunction from your textbook, page number 47. We have already learned this lesson as connectors from the book Excellence in English. Okay, so connectors, conjunction, linkers, all are same. Okay, on the board you can see two sentences there. Rahul is drawing a picture. Next sentence, Manju is drawing a picture. Okay, both of them are doing same activity. Okay, so we can join both these words using a connector or conjunction. See, Rahul and Manju are drawing pictures. Rahul and Manju are drawing pictures. Here we use the conjunction and to join both these sentences. Yes, we joined both these sentences as Rahul and Manju are drawing pictures. Okay, so children, why we use conjunction? For what we are using conjunctions? Yes, we use this conjunction or connectors or linkers to connect two words or two group of words or two sentences. Okay, so we use conjunctions to connect different words, different thoughts, different ideas or different sentences. Okay, now let's learn some other conjunctions. Okay, first let us discuss the conjunction and. We use the conjunction and joins the words which are similar or related. For example, he will go to the market and buy vegetables. He will go to the market and buy vegetables. Here, buy vegetables is related to the first sentence. Okay, so we are going to the market to buy vegetables, right? So, here we use the conjunction and to connect both these sentences. He will go to the market and buy vegetables. Next sentence. She bought a shirt and a book. Okay, she bought a shirt, she bought a book. So we join both these sentences into one. She bought a shirt and a book. Okay, so we use the conjunction and to connect both these words, shirt and book. Next one, Anna likes to read and write. Anna likes to read and Anna likes to write. So we joined both these sentences into one. Then it becomes Anna likes to read and write. Here also we use the conjunction to join these words. These words read and write. Here shirt and book. Here go to the market and buy vegetables. So we use the preposition and to join words and sentences. Okay, now let's discuss about the next conjunction. Next conjunction is or. Okay, we use this conjunction or to talk about to choose something from two or more choices. Okay, so we use this or if there is many choices to choose one. Okay, let's see the examples. We can take the bus or we can just walk to the park. There are two choices, right? Which are they? We can take the bus. That is the first choice. And the next choice is we can walk to the park. We can choose the bus or we can walk. These are the two choices. If there is more than one choice, we can use the conjunction or to join that words. Okay, so see, here you can see that we can take the bus or we can walk to the park. Anyone you can choose. See the next sentence. Do you prefer tea or coffee? See, these are different things. Tea and coffee are different things. So, the question is, do you prefer tea or coffee? This is your choice. Okay, if there is choices more than one, we can use the conjunction or to connect these words. Okay, next one, we can go to the library or we can go to the classroom. Okay, there are two choices. We can go to the classroom or we can go to the library. Okay, so these sentences connected with the the conjunction or. Okay, so these conjunction or we use the conjunction or to talk about choosing from two or more choices. Okay, if there are many choices, we can use the conjunction or to connect the words. Okay, now let's talk about the next conjunction. Next conjunction is but. We use the conjunction but to join words that are different and do not go together. Okay, so we join two different words. Okay, so let's see the sentence. I can come to the show, but I might get late. I can come to the show. Okay, I'm ready to come to the show, but I might get late for that. Okay, so here both these sentences are different. For that, we can use the conjunction but to join the different sentences and different words. Next one, I am very hungry. So I went to get some food from the fridge, but the fridge is empty. So see, both these sentences are different. There is no relation. See, I am very hungry. That's a sentence. The next sentence is the fridge is empty. So there is no connection between both these sentences, but we can join that sentences with the conjunction but. So let's see the next sentence. It was a sunny day, but the wind was cold. Sunny day means it is very hot day. It is not a rainy day, but the wind was cold. So a cold wind is there. So both these sentences are different. See, it was a sunny day. The wind was cold, but we can join these sentences using the conjunction but. Okay, so it was a sunny day, but the wind was cold. We use the conjunction but to join words that are different and do not go together. Okay, so we join different sentences together with the conjunction but. Now let's discuss next conjunction. The next conjunction is because. Okay, so we use the conjunction because to connect two different sentences. Okay, the first sentence will be the reason and the next sentence will be the explanation of that reason. Let's see the example. I had to take an auto rickshaw because our bus broke down on the way. Here, I had to take an auto rickshaw because what is the reason? Because our bus broke down on the way. Okay, here because gives the reason why I take an auto rickshaw. Okay, why I had to take an auto rickshaw? The reason is our bus broke down on the way. Next sentence, I did not go swimming because it was raining. I did not go swimming. Why? Because it was raining. Here the conjunction because connects both these sentences and it gives the reason why I didn't go to swimming. Okay, why? Because it was raining. I did not go swimming because the reason is it was raining. Next sentence, she goes to the tennis club because she likes to play tennis. Okay, she goes to the tennis club. Why? Because she likes to play tennis. That is why she is going to tennis club. Here also we can see the reason why she is going to the tennis club. Why? Because she likes to play tennis. Here we use the conjunction because to talk about or to give the explanation and reason for any issues or any matters. Okay, so now let's discuss about the next conjunction. The next conjunction is so. We use the conjunction so to talk about where there is any cause and effect. Okay, we use so to connect different sentences. It will be a cause and effect. Let's see the examples. Shyam is unwell, so he did not come to school today. Okay, this is the cause. Shyam is unwell. He is not well. That is the cause. And so he did not come to the school today. So he was not well. So he did not come to the school. This is the cause, and the second part is the effect. Okay, the result of that cause. Next one. She studied hard, so she passed the test. She studied hard. That is the cause. So that is why she passed the test. So here also we use the conjunction so to connect different sentences. One sentence is the cause and the next sentence is the result or effect of that cause. He lost the key, so he couldn't open the door. He lost the key, that is the cause. As a result, as an effect, he couldn't open the door. So we use the conjunction so to connect different sentences, and the first part will be the cause and second part will be the effect or result of that cause. Now let's do the text exercise, page number 48. Join the sentences using the conjunctions given in the brackets. The first one is done for you. Swati is a doctor. Divya is a doctor. So we have to add the conjunction and. Swati and Divya are doctors. Next one. It was raining. The game was postponed. In bracket we can see the conjunction so. So how we can make the sentence? It was raining, so the game was postponed. Children, do the rest of the questions by yourself. Now let's discuss the writing section from this textbook, page number 50, that is diary entry. You have already learned diary entry from your lower classes, but now let's discuss it once more. Diary entry, it is a personal piece of writing which reflects a person's thoughts about a person, an incident or a place. Okay, so diary entry is always written in first person narrative. In your textbook, you can see the writing session. Write a diary entry describing what you dreamt about last night. You may write like this. An example is given here. So children, when you start writing the diary, first you have to write the date. If you are writing the diary for today, you have to write today's date. After that date, you have to write the day. Okay, whether it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So here it is given Tuesday. After that, you have to write the time when you are writing the diary. That time you have to mention on the top left side of the page. Okay, so first the date, month, year. Below that, the day. Below the day, it is the time. So, the diary should be always in first person narrative, which means you can use the subject I. I had the strangest dream last night. I was walking down the road near my house when it started raining. So, children, here we use I. Because it is first person narrative, you are writing the diary, right? So you have to use I. Okay. And diary entry always be in past tense. See, I ran towards the nearest shop to wait for the rain to stop. It was a bookstore from what I can remember. When I entered the shop, I saw that the shopkeeper was a horse. The horse was dressed in a suit and was wearing a pair of glasses. So this is a dream, right? So this is a dream. What I dreamt last night. So like this, children, you can write the diary entry. Not only the dream you have seen, but the incidents you gone through that day. Okay, so use this format. That is, you have to write the date, month and the year. Below that, the day, and below the time when you are writing the diary. Okay. Children, I hope you all understood today's class. Do the textual exercises and study well. Study the question answers, word meaning and grammar session, and also study how to write diary. We'll meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.